Activation complete. Cosmetic integrity is 100%.
Oh, she's beautiful. Look at her.
Hello, Thompson family. I am Optimus, your personal assistant. It's wonderful to meet you.
arm integration complete. Articulation 100.
Sway at 2.1 millimeters.
Stability holding at 98.9%.
Object identified. Red apple. Approximately 80 millimeters diameter. Spherical shape. Red coloration with brown stem.
Surface finish uniform on the torso. No defects found here.
Acknowledged. Moving to the leg attachments.
Finalizing facial inspection. Everything within parameters.
The model quality is excellent. Surface deviation is minimal.
Confirmed. The physical robot matches the design specifications exactly.
Hermetic seal complete. Pressure test passed.
Internal packaging complete. Check the compression.
15%. Protection rating is excellent.
We are slightly ahead of schedule for batch 7.
Confirmed. Ready for dispatch to Alpha Center.
Look, it's bringing the robot out.
I know, I'm confirming it right now.
Descent rate steady at 5 centimeters per second.
Confirmed. Altitude holding at 0.3 meters. We are clear for final placement.
All latches confirmed released. We are clear for lid removal.
Confirmed. It's finally opening.
Here she is, the Model
5,000.
Wow, look at that hair.
Is that the activation screen?
Wow, look at her. She's amazing.
Can we turn her on now, Dad?
Almost. The instructions say we need to remove the bag first.
Just being extra careful around the facial sensors.
Look at that, it looks just like a real person. Activation complete. Cosmetic integrity is 100%.
Oh, she's beautiful. Look at her.
Crate exit complete. Standing stability acquired. Ready for power on sequence. Activation complete. AI core online. Vision systems active.
Status.
Ready for initial greeting.
Hello, Thompson family. I am Optimus, your personal assistant. It's wonderful to meet you.
And you must be Emma and Lucas.
Hello there. It's much nicer down here, isn't it?
Wow, look, Mummy. He's smiling at us.
It handled the adaptation perfectly.
Welcome to the family. We are so happy to have you here with us.
Welcome home. Let's get you inside.
Wow, look at his lights.
Welcome to the family home. Please, come on in. We are so excited to have you here.
You can help me prepare snacks for the kids.
I would be happy to help. And what would you like me to do?
Thank you, Optimus.
Good morning, Emma and Lucas. It's time to wake up for school. Which shirt would you like to wear today, Lucas?
Great choice. Dinosaurs are very cool.
Does Emma prefer grape or apple juice?
Grape juice, please.